Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madie. Today I have a tutorial on this soft pink look for Valentine's Day. This is perfect for a date night or coffee with your Valentine this Friday. If you'd like to see how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching because I am going to show you. I started with already primed eyes and I'm going in with the color Silk Cream from the Jaclyn Morty palette for my transition color, and I'm taking that color and pretty much just buffing that into the crease. Then I'm taking a smaller brush with the shade Pooter and I'm doing the same thing, except I'm applying it a little tighter into the crease and I'm not blending it up as far. Then I'm taking the bigger fluffy brush and I'm softening that color. Then with an even smaller brush, I'm taking this dark brown called Mocha, and I'm applying that into the outer crease and outer corner area, making sure I don't take it too far up, and then I'm going back in and blending. And then with the flat brush, I'm packing on the color Little Lady all over the lid. And then I'm doing a little bit of wing liner, first taking the ColourPop gel liner and then perfecting it with the MAC brushstroke liner. I tried doing this all on camera, but wing liner is really freaking hard, man. Then I'm coating my lashes in the MAC Extra Dimension Waterproof Mascara. Normally I would zoom you out for the rest of this, but I was kind of digging this close up. For foundation, I'm bouncing on the MAC Face and Body foundation because I want really fresh and dewy skin, and it has only a little coverage, which I like. And to conceal and highlight, I'm using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer, and I'm adding a bit to the under eyes and the center of my face and along the jaw. To set the skin, I'm using the Hourglass Veil Powder. I'm pretty much setting my under eyes and T-zone, but if you're a little bit more oily, feel free to set all over. For the lower lash line, I'm just taking Silk Cream and Pooter and blending it under the eye for a little definition. And I'm applying mascara to the lower lashes. If you want to add a little extra smokiness, you can add liner, but I want this look to be a little more fresh for my Valentine's Day night. Then I'm popping on the 48 lashes from MAC. For a bronze glow, I'm going in with the MAC Face and Body Pearl. This is in the light shade. It's literally just face and body foundation in C4 with like a little bit of sparkle, but you can create this look with any foundation or concealer that's just a few shades darker than your skin tone. To set that in place and add some extra warmth, I'm using the ColourPop Coconut Beach Bronzer, which I've really been loving lately. To highlight, I'm using the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Lunch Money, and I'm just hitting all the high points of the face. And then to finish off the cheeks, I'm using the Naturale Cream Multistick in Grapefruit. To apply it, I warmed the product on the back of my hand first, and then I went in with the brush to apply. The last step is lips. First, I'm popping on a bit of the MAC Prep and Prime lip to give the lipstick something to hold on to for when I kiss my Valentine later. For liner, I'm using the MAC Subculture Lip Pencil, and then for lipstick, I'm using the MAC Love Me lipstick in Laissez-faire. And that is the finished look. I hope you really enjoyed this video and this look, and I hope your Valentine's Day is amazing and wonderful, even though Valentine's Day is kind of a Hallmark holiday. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and if you'd like to see more of me, then just hit subscribe. All of my socials will be down below, so like Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Tumblr, etc. Don't forget to go out and register to vote. It is incredibly important. Thanks again so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.